traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how the market is going to be behaving on the 21st of May 2021 and what are the key levels to look out for. So firstly, let us go ahead and try to understand and see what Bank Nifty did today. So we had a hero zero call and all of that actually happened where we saw an open interest build up over here at 33,500 and it actually broke at that particular moment. We were at loss right at the beginning of the day, but however, after that, the hero zero actually gave us 5x of that capital, and we were able to go ahead and make a lot of money. Few people made a couple of lakhs, few people made 7 lakhs. The highest I saw was 8. So making 8 lakh rupees by one of our participants is the biggest thing that I could achieve as a business just in a single day. So, I will go ahead and I'll ask him to give us a testimonial over the weekend, and most probably you can see that too. So now most, critical level for the Bank Nifty is that there is on an intraday basis, or I would say on an intraday time frame basis, there is nothing that we are getting here. But however, if we look at on a daily time frame, there is a trend line that is coming from the bottom. So highly likely a possibility if Bank Nifty would want to go ahead and come down, there is a possibility here that it can go ahead and take a support. So what will be the support where it can do that? So let me just go ahead and mark that over here. So the support would be 33,000. So most likely Bank Nifty will try to take a support under this particular region and would try to stay a bit volatile inside this range for some time. And whenever there is a breakout on this, we will have a trade. But however, tomorrow I'm anticipating SBI's result, and based on that result is when we are going to have an actual move. But however, if Bank Nifty moves on 34,300, then you can look at for a long, or else if it cuts the low of today, then this entire rise that we had, we can at least have a 50% recovery on this candle. So my target would be 32,688 if it takes out the low for today. Now in terms of Nifty, let me just go ahead and look at Nifty. Nifty is a perfect trend line follower. So it is right now over here. It is trying to, both Nifty and Bank Nifty are making an ascending triangle, but we would need to go ahead and keep that in mind that this ascending triangle will act as a support. So whenever Nifty would come under this, we can go ahead and expect it to have a bounce. So that bounce will be at 14,784. But if it has to get there, it has to go ahead, break the day's low, and you can trade on the day's low, which is locked here at 14,900 for a quick 120 points here. And above that, we'll look at it in future if anything on the upside comes through. But now I think nothing interesting is happening. So with that, I thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a wonderful day. I hope my levels yesterday has helped you make number which was fascinating for yourself. Thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a beautiful day. See you once again tomorrow. Take care. Jai Hind. Goodbye.